Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You must have heard the story of the hare and the tortoise. So let's start with the story, and at the end I will explain the quote slow and steady wins the race and how it can be related to the English learners. Let's learn from this story. Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there lived a boastful hare. He was known for his boastful about swift running activities. He often teased slower animals, particularly the tortoise. One day, tortoise tired of hare's boasting and he challenged him for a race. And the hare accepted the challenge of the tortoise because he was very sure of his victory. The race began. The hare ran ahead, leaving the tortoise far away. As he was very sure for his victory, he decided to take a nap under a tree, and he thought that the hare is far away to catch him up. Meanwhile, the tortoise plodded along, walked slowly, step by step. Although his pace was very slow, he was very determined and keep on going. Hours passed and he finally reached the place where the hare was sleeping. Quietly, he crossed by the hare and continued towards the finish line. At last, the hare awoke and he saw that the tortoise was about to cross the finish line. He ran as fast as possible, but it was too late. Tortoise crossed the finish line before the hare could reach. The animals in the forest started clapping for the tortoise, and the hare felt embarrassed by his overconfidence. The tortoise, on the other hand, was praised for his resilience, perseverance, and strong determination. The moral of the story is slow and steady wins the race. Let's explain the quote. Slow and steady wins the race means if you are patient and consistent, persistent, so that will leads you towards your success, towards your goals. Even if you are not so fast, if you are not so knowledgeable, but by your consistent effort can lead you towards your success, towards your goal. This story and this quote is very relevant for English learners. It can take time too. However, studying regularly, practice regularly and not giving up, you can improve this skill and can achieve language goals. Just like tortoise, if you keep moving towards your own pace, you will eventually succeed. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and thank you for your kind love and support.